Welcome to the Simple Dad unboxing video. In this video, I'll show you what is inside the iPhone 14 Plus box. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this is the iPhone 14 Plus, which is in color blue, and this is the 128 GB version. So let's open it up. First, we'll pull the tabs here from the top and the bottom. Once that is done, we'll turn it around and lift the box. And here the first thing you'll see is the iPhone 14 Plus, which has a 6.7-inch Super Retina display, A15 Bionic chip. At the back, we've got two cameras, where both are 12 megapixels. One is 13mm and the other is 26mm. And unfortunately, there is no dynamic island for your notifications. That is only available on the Pro and the Pro Max version. So as you can see, this is in blue color and I really like this color. In the box here we have the iPhone charging cable, which is the lightning cable. As you know, Apple does not provide the charging block. You'll need to buy your own. You can buy the Apple 20-watt one or the third-party one called Anker. Above that we have some paperwork from iPhone. So in that paperwork you'll have the SIM eject tool, some manuals, and a sticker. And that is it. That is what is inside the iPhone 14 Plus box. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.